Hi, I'm Roberto.
I'm Brad.
And today we're going to go over the fold method for a 1548 on our flow-through pillow packer. Traditionally you'd see this with a protective sleeve on it, but for today's purpose we're going to leave it off.
Once you've got your fiberglass wetted out, folded to the middle with your 1-inch overlap, we're going to position the packer on the center of the fiberglass. Your first fold is going to come all the way to the edge of your packer. Your second fold goes to the middle of the packer, leaving about 4 to 6 inches of extra material. Next, you're going to fold your extra material on top of your packer. Now your packer gets folded. And this is the point where you put on your zip ties to secure it to the packer.